Hey guys, good morning and welcome back again to my vlog, and it's me again, Chai. So here's my day in my life. So for today's video, I'm actually waiting for my parcel, and yes, finally it's here. And after a long wait, it's finally here. And the reason why I ordered this in Amazon, it's because I will be performing this coming 23rd of December. And that is also one of the reasons why I bought this product. And yep, let's open it. Okay. So, dumating na yung ating delivery. Teka lang. Tama ba yan? Dapat pala dito. Excited. Ito na pala. Ala, ano ko yung box. Patoy. Natamaan ko yung box. Ito na yun siya, guys. Yung box. Sayang. Natamaan ko yung box, oh. So, buksan natin. So, first time, ito yung pangalawang binili ko na, guys, na Bluetooth speaker na may microphone. So, yung una, medyo mas mura yung una kaysa dito. So, ito guys, nabili ko siya ng mga about 77 pounds ata. Tapos, meron na siyang dalawang microphone. And na-test ko na din kasi yung ganda ng quality nito. Kasi, syempre, nanghiram ako dati ng microphone. So, which is good. Meron siyang puff filter para ilagay dito sa ating microphone. So, meron siyang puff filter. Ayan. Tapos, yung wired charging cord. Meron tayong dalawang isang charging cord, tsaka yung isa para sa audio. Ayan. And then, this one, long microphone. Ito na ang ating mahiwagang plastic. Ayan. So, nakikita nyo naman siya, guys. So, dito yung volume down, volume up. Nakita ko yung, ano nito, guys. Nakita ko yung review. So far, nagustuhan ko yung review. So, kaya, binili ko na talaga siya para meron akong sarili kong karaoke. Siyempre, mahilig akong kumanta. Mahilig akong magpatugtog ng music. So, ganito mangyayari, guys. Magre-review tayo nito. Magagawa din tayo ng sarili nating review. So, charge ko muna to. And then, yep. Seems like hopefully okay naman siya. Parang ang daming nakahawak. Ayan o, parang ang daming humawak. What is this? Anyways, ito na siya, guys. Mag-ano tayo nito, mag-review tayo nito. So, yes, ito lang yung hinihintay ko talaga na item galing sa Amazon. Try natin ito mamaya. So, hi guys. Ayan, meron ako dito napakalaking salmon. Ayan, nabili namin sa Tesco. So, naisip ko, guys, na kailangan ko na pala siyang ilagay sa freezer. So, meron ako dito maliliit na zip seal food bags. Ayan, kasi nga ito, guys, nilagay ko muna sa ano ba tawag nito? Sa chiller, yun. Pero kailangan na pala siya kasing, ano yun, kailangan
kailangan na namin siyang ilagay sa freezer para sa New Year, I mean sa Pasko, ano ko na, okay ba ito? Sana naging okay lang siya guys, kasi sabi dapat use 18, by 18 dapat ano siya nagamit, pero hindi ko naman siya nagamitin kasi by 18. So, ayan. Okay. Yun yung ating fish. Sobrang laki, oh. Hahatiin na lang natin ng ganito guys, kasi nga kailangan talaga siyang mahati. Yan. So, gagawin natin, sa anong tawag nito? Sa zip bag. Para makit natin siya sa freezer, guys. So, yun ang gagawin natin. So, every bag, at least dalawa. So, ayan. At least dalawa. And alam nyo guys, na naiwan ko pala yung cellphone ko sa sa loob ng Uber. Kasi pumunta ako sa bahay ng kaibigan ko, may hinatid ako. And buti na lang, nung pag-uwi ko, imagine, 3 hours ata ako nasa bahay ng kaibigan ko. Tapos, nung umuwi na ako dito sa bahay, nakita ko yung notification na about 3 hours away, or since the last time na nakakonekta yung aking phone sa aking cellphone. So, mas maigi pala guys. Buti na lang na nakakonect yung aking old phone sa new phone ko. Kasi magno-notify siya kung ano ba, kunwari kung nawala ba siya, or kasi makikita kung masyadong malayo na yung phone mo. Ganyan. So, buti na lang, nakakonect siya. And nakalagay. So, inad ko kasi yung aking old phone sa, if in case ma-lost yung phone. Anong tawag nun? Yung parang yung kanyang location. Ma-track yung kanyang location. So, buti naman, na-track ko na din yung location kagabi. And parang sa Hendon, malapit lang naman din dito guys. And sabi nung lalaki, mag-meet up daw kami sa Newcastle. Kasi sabi ko nga, pupunta ako ng Newcastle. Akala ko kasi pupunta siya doon. Tapos ako naman yung parang hindi kasi ako, I'm not feeling well kasi nung mga umaga, kasi dapat aalis ako ng maaga kanina. Pero yun nga guys, hindi natuloy. And sama ng pakiramdam ko kanina. So yun, hindi na lang ako nagpunta. Tinawagan ko yung friend ko, hindi na pupunta dun sa Thanksgiving muna. So, ayun na nga. Buti na lang na-trace ko agad, guys. Kasi kung hindi ko na-trace at hindi siya nakalagay sa lost phone na list. Ano, yung bang sa find my phone, find my, ano ba yun? Find my location, ganun. Yari talaga ako. Kasi yung phone na yun, guys, ibibigay ko lang kay Mudrabels ko. Yun talaga yung plano ko. Ibibigay ko sa mother ko yung ano, yung bag, yung aking old phone. Ayan, malapit ko na matapos. Tapos, sa Christmas dinner, ito yung magiging ano namin. Isa sa mga meal namin. Kasi hindi naman sila kumakain ng baboy. So, ako, meron akong gamon or yung sa baboy. Yun yung ating magiging additional na meal. Kasi, kumakain ako ng baboy eh. Okay. Ito na. There you go. Tapos na. So, nalagay ko na yung ano. Isda. Next naman na lalagay natin sa freezer is yung ating baboy. So, kukuha lang ako ng few part lang. Tapos, in the rest, ilalagay natin sa freezer. Okay. Gasan din natin to. Hindi mag-contaminate yung isda at saka yung kanyang baboy. Gasan natin. Lagay nga natin yan dyan. Merry Christmas, everyone. Okay, lipat natin. So, you can have... Yan, yan na lang. Ito lang natin. Ayan, so meron ako dito gamon. Ano bang petsa dito? Yung petsa's 4th of January. Pwede pa naman, pero parang hindi ako magka-problema. Gagawin ko, guys, is kasi dapat at least by 4th of January, pwede ko siyang pwede ko muna siyang i-stay sa chiller. Pero, hi! What else? What's that?
What?
What's that?
This is my breakfast. The food.
Okay. Oh, I've got another salmon, guys. Salmon. Laki-laki.
Small buns, kids for making. I'll keep that in there.
Okay, so hindi ko alam, I don't know kung, I'm not sure yung gagawin ko, pero kukuha ko ng few parts ng salmon. So what I will do is,
You're going to put that
Ano ko
on
siya,
the
half.
plate and you salt it on, yeah?
yes, I will.
That's your breakfast now.
So here,
Is that gammon joint?
yeah.
I'm going to come all wet and we'll have to get changed.
So here, ito yung gagawin na lang nating, ano ma'am, I'll make this like roasted. I'll put this in oven for Christmas.
Glad you got that?
Huh?
Are you glad you picked that up?
I mean, my friend said it's gonna be salty.
It's not. You haven't put salt on it.
I know, because this was already salty.
It's not. Where's the label?
I don't know. My friend said that gammon is salty.
It's not. Yeah, it's smoked. Not salty, it's smoked.
Smoked. But the last time there was a... Okay, here.
If you want to get rid of the salt, you can soak it in water before cooking.
Yeah, it says.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little salty, but it's not red meat. You have to stop red meat, okay? I told you about turkey. You've got turkey leg, haven't you?
Yeah, I've got one.
Yeah, right. You just have to not have salt that week.
So
We're gonna get
so I've
another-
got this like this big, guys.
Go and get another turkey leg then on the 23rd.
Oh, okay.
If you want to put it in there, and then that's your meat for about like 2 months, isn't it? You just freeze that and have a little bit every now and again.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's expensive. Gammon now, it's good to get smoked.
Oh my goodness, yes.
Well,
It's got hold on. Yeah. So there you go. I'm gonna use a big plastic because for the big plastic, guys, I can just easily do portion by portion. So just like that. So diba, this is quite big. So this is what I'm gonna do. Put that one here. And put that one here. Put that one here. So each side, lalagyan natin. I-half natin kasi siya. So, like this, guys. So, nakaganyan siya. Tapos, titiklopin natin. Titiklop natin. Like this. O, diba? So, tapos, tiklop. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, so when I open this, if I need something, like if I need one, so I'll just easily get that and then get one piece. So I can use all the plastic. Okay. So there's still one piece that I need to cut into 2 pieces.
It says just soak it in the water to get the salt content down again.
Yeah.
I'll charge you to it.
Thank you for charging it.
You do mine so I decided I'll put it when you put
Because
it.
I did first.
Yeah, no,
yours.
So I seen yours was out, so I thought, well, I better. Didn't know. That's good, that. Look at that. How much was it? Tenner for that.
That's good. So, so 1 big meat and then 2 pieces of slice. 2 slices of meat naman this time. There you go. I'm all done. Oh, I still have another 1 salmon, but I don't need to, I don't need to put that in freezer yet. Because there's still maybe 5 days. I know I still have like 1, 2, 3. I still have 3 days or 4 days before I put it in the freezer. Kasi nakalagay dito is used by 25th. Okay, muna natin dito. Ayan.